Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Antimonium tartaricum. Its common name is tartar emetic. This is part 1 general overview series and the text is from Allen's keynote, which is supplemented from Borick, Clark and Kane Mathur. This study is best for the BHMS students, interns, MD, UPSC and PSC aspirants. So friends, let us go ahead. The remedy profile is, it is clinically best to the cases of respiratory disorders. Its kingdom is mineral kingdom. The source is, it is a chemical salt of antimonium potassium. The preparation is, the salt is triturated with sugar of milk and third C is prepared. From third potency, higher potencies are prepared with alcohol. This remedy was proved by Dr. Hahnemann and Dr. Henkel. The organ tissue affinity of this remedy is respiratory system, cardiovascular system, gastrointestinal system, genitourinary tract, lumbar region and skin. The lateral affinity of this remedy is left lateral and thermal affinity is hot. The constitutional characteristics are, the somatic predilectation is, it is best adapted to torpid, phlegmatic persons, the hydrogenoid constitution. The psychic preponderance is, the temperament is irritable and the mind, child clings, wants to be carried, does not want to be touched, depressed, fears being alone. The causation is, the diathesis is for mucosal catarrh and ailments are from exposure in damp basement or cellar, bad effects of vaccination, asphyxia neonatorum, weakness and lack of reaction. The characteristics include great sleepiness and drowsiness, which accompanies almost nearly all the complaints. There is an extraordinary craving for apple is there, aversion to milk, rattling of mucus with little expectoration, coldness, debility and sweating is marked, tongue is coated white with red margins, nausea, retching, vomiting, better lying on right side. The thirst is frequent and is for a small quantity of water. Pustular eruptions which leave bluish red marks. Cyanosis. The relationship of this remedy is, it is similar to lycopodium, but spasmodic motion of the eli is replaced by dilated nostrils. To veratrum, both have diarrhea, colic, vomiting, coldness and craving for acids. To ipecac, but here you will find that there is a more drowsiness from defective respiration. Nausea is there, but nausea is ameliorated after vomiting. When lung seems to fail, patient becomes sleepy, cough, declines or ceases. It supplants ipecac. It is good for the bad effects of vaccination when thuja fails and silesia is not indicated. Before silesia in dyspnea from foreign bodies in the larynx or trachea, in cases of pulsatilla it is suppressed. You will find history of suppressed gonorrhea and terebinth from damp basement complaints from. The relationship children not easily impressed when antimonium tart seems indicated in cups, they require hypersulf. In spring and autumn, when the damp weather commences, cough of children gets worse. The general modalities include aggravation is from in damp, cold weather, lying down at night, warmth of room, change of weather in spring. The amelioration is by cold open air, sitting upright, expectoration, and lying on the right side. The miasmatic orientation of this remedy is we are going to use certain markers, and the hydrogenoid constitution almost is a specific marker for psychotic miasm. Worse damp cold weather points to psychotic modality. Therefore, our impression about this remedy, antimonium tart, is that it is a predominant psychotic miasmatic remedy. The posology. The doses, lower dilutions need frequent repetition. The lower potencies sometimes aggravate. It acts well from 30th to cm potencies. The repetition should be repeated in acute conditions till the action of the drug is aroused or noted. The duration of action is about 2 weeks according to Lust and 20 to 30 days what Clark has suggested. The clinical application of this remedy is for alcoholism, apathy, asphyxia pneumoniarum, asthma, bronchiectasis, chickenpox, cholera, pneumonia, vomiting, and whooping cough. Thank you very much for patient listening. Please share and care.